Hi everyone, thank you for following us on the YouTube channel. My name is Michael. I'm the owner of Michael David F Aromatherapy, and I'm with Stephen.
Hello, my name is Stephen. I'm a practitioner of traditional Chinese medicine since 2012, and I spent many years managing the oldest Chinese medicine pharmacy in Denver.
Well, Stephen, I have a question for you today, and I'm sure you will answer as usual. What physical health benefit can a patient expect?
Well, every patient's going to be different, and so there's no blanket answer for this. However, some of the things that we can be sure that are going to happen in an individual are a stronger immune defense. Our immune system is going to react to these treatments and become stronger in turn. Um, Another main part of this, of that a patient can expect, would be better pain management. Holistic medicine is really good at treating pain, whether it's herbal medicine, acupuncture, massage, etc., etc. Pain is what most people know holistic medicine for treating, but it can treat so much more. Another thing that you can expect would be a lower dependency on pharmaceuticals. So again, back to the whole pain idea. Um, Western medicine uses, you know, pain prescriptions to manage pain, such as opioids and other things like that. Um, Whereas holistic medicine uses, again, acupuncture, massage, integrative movement, herbal medicine to help bring the body more into balance and help pain move out.
I have a situation that I experience with clients. So a client bought Antianongant, it's a muscle relaxant,
Mm.
and he emailed me and said, "Well, Michael, it works well, but it doesn't work a lot on my neuropathy." And I explained to him, well, neuropathy is a totally different condition. It's not only affecting the muscle, but neuro means nerve. So I asked him what he expects to me. And he said, I would like something more stronger, something that really uh, relieves the discomfort I have. And then I answered to him, well, I'm doing some research right now, and give me time, and I will provide you something efficient for you. But never forget it's nerve. And nerve, it's not like something you can massage. It's not something that you can, it's it's a wire. I mean, and it depends also of the condition of the neuropathy. And he told
Mhm.
me that it's diabetes.
Mhm.
So diabetes, of course, degeneration of nerve and everything. So I'm always as holistic practitioner and maker of unguent and pomade and whatever open to create something new and individual for people to fit their needs. But always I place myself on my scope of practice saying, okay, you're a practitioner, you're not a doctor. That means if something happened to you, like my client, you have to set with the doctor first. And then what I will provide you will be a really like a soft approach to help you during your day or or night, whatever. But every time clients push me to find something very special for them. And as clients, each client for me is special. Each client is individual, and then I want to treat them as an individual, and I want to give all my intention. So that's for me my kind of expectation that the client wait for. And I really appreciate the way you approach. Your approach is more on the philosophy, on the ethic. And as a maker of lotion for people, of course, there's the ethic, but there's also all the work you do on the research, all the work you do on dosage, what kind of uh, herbs, essential oil I can use to make this lotion really perfectly fit to this client.
Well, I think that's an important point that you bring up. Um, every single patient is unique. And that's one of the beauties of holistic medicine is that we as practitioners look at each individual as a unique individual. And so therefore, if they're asking for something weaker or stronger or to, you know, treat it differently, that's how we operate. We look at the patient, we look at their condition, we look at what we've done already and how that has affected them. And then we discover ways to bob and weave, right? To adjust, to um, treat that specific client. That's the beauty of holistic medicine is it's not just a blanket treatment for a condition, right? It's what is the individual experiencing? Where does that come from? How do I discover where it comes from? And how do I treat that? And so you might have 10 different patients with a very similar condition, but 10 different ways to treat it.
Thank you, Stephen. Thank you so much. And I think we enjoyed to do this podcast, and I
Absolutely.
hope you enjoy it too and you learn a
Yeah.
lot. Thank you so much, and
Thank
see
you.
you next time.